But I was thinking that it's somehow in the class also we'll do that.
You will be learning. See, basically in the class you're learning what you can do, right? And then you'll be applying it on your own to basically, um, basically
We have
make your
almost finished.
solution presented. That's good, Prabhasis. Right. Right after
Who's
this,
gonna teach us how to make the app?
uh, 1 second. I think Rainal is here. I'm just waiting
Technically
for
not an app. Let's say a prototype.
Adityan is here. All
Oh
right.
yeah, Raymond is here. Yeah, you can get started.
Adityan, can you just introduce him and then tell them a little bit about what they'll be learning, and then you can hand it over to Rainal.
Okay, sure.
Hi. Sorry.
Yeah,
Can
go
I
ahead.
ask a question?
Go ahead.
So I was wondering whether you'd be teaching us how to make an app prototype.
Mm,
All right. Yeah.
yeah,
Okay. Perfect.
you will be. Don't worry. We're just gonna get into what you'll be learning. Don't worry about that.
So if you're struggling with your prototype and you wanted to create a project, this is gonna be the right thing for you. So you're gonna learn what is a prototype, then why prototyping, then what are the fiddly softwares you wanna use, then what are the types of iterations and what things to keep in your mind. So all those stuff. So yeah, we got Raylin here, who's one of the product designers at Zoho. I'm pretty sure you'll be aware about the brand Zoho. So yeah, so I think I'll welcome Raynil to give you more insights about the topic. Raynil, you there?
Okay. Can you hear
Good, good.
me?
Hey man, how are you?
Yeah. Thank you so much. It is
Yeah,
great
sure,
pleasure
sure.
to be part of this Tangleton. And I really appreciate all your efforts and your great input, Aditya. And thank you to research. People. Okay, give me 2 minutes. I will share my presentation now.
Sorry for interrupting, sir. Your voice is very low.
Yes.
Now it's audible?
And
Hello.
now it is low.
Is that audible? Research?
You are audible, but not as clear. Do you like? I'm not sure. Do you have like a microphone or something that you could hold closer? It's just. I think it's a bit distant.
Yeah, okay. Now it's audible?
Yeah, much better.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Very clearly. This is perfect.
Okay, thank you so much. Give me 2 minutes. I will screen share my presentation. Okay, host disabled participant screen sharing. Can you allow
Turn off.
me?
Yeah, turn off.
Yeah. Yeah. You able to see my screen? Yeah. Hello everyone. I am really happy to be here, and I hope everyone will be safe and good. Okay, let's get into the design. I'm Renili Kumar, and everyone knows me in Instagram as Race Design. The Instagram page is like full of UI UX design, and it is like full of specialized in humanized based micro interactions. And don't forget to check this out. And you can feel free to reach me anytime there. Yeah, let's talk about the design. Ah, uh, these are all the main ideas I'm going to discuss with you today, and I am really excited about the next 1 hour. Yeah, first I'll start with my background and how I get into design and what made me to feel design is good, and then I talk about the elements of design because these are the basic foundation to start the design, and then I'm going to discuss about the principles of designs, and then introduction to UI UX, like what is UI and how it was made and what are the process involved in that, and then I'm going to show my process of making an app. In that you will get an idea like how to start sketching the ideas and the designs, and I'm going to show how to design an app from scratch, and that's it. That's a wrap. Let's get into it. Yeah, I was born in India, Pondicherry, and I've grown up there, and I finished my schooling and did higher studies there, and then yeah, I'm 18 years old, a self-taught designer. When I was 6 years old, I got really interested in sketching and designing, And then I started to make some design in Photoshop. And then by exploring the other tool, I got some ideas to start design as my career. And then I'm working as product designer in a multinational company called Zogo. Basically, it was well known for making SaaS products. I was really shocked at the time, really like we got placed as a product designer there. Yeah, now I have made a lot of products there and UI kits there. That's all about me. If you think it was quite interesting to know more about me, please check out my Instagram account, Race Design, or simply type Fenil Kumar in Google to know more about me, because Google knows me a lot. Yeah. And then yes, we are finally getting to the basics of design. Like first we start with the elements of design. Basically, what is elements of design? It means like design is made up of basic elements like line, shapes, and colors, and then it was built into a well finished product. These elements will help you to design your needs faster and easier. These are all the 5 elements of designs, like lines, shapes, colors, and textures, and we'll see more about this individually. Let's discuss about the line. What is line? Lines are the most basic elements of design. Once you start noticing them deeply, you will see grids all around you. For example, look at my presentation. I have used the lines to convert the text looks brighter and bolder. Lines give energy to your design, and we have 3 types of lines, like we have straight line, dotted line, and curved line, and more. It is flexible, it has many types. Yeah, let's look some example. These posters are made using lines, text, and colors. Yeah, in the first one they use the lines in posters, and second one also they use the lines with the colors, and third they use the text with the lines. Yeah, and then fourth and finally the deer, they use the lines made out of it. Yes, and then yes, shape. You all know about shapes very well. As a mathematical student, you should know these things. Here in design, shapes has 3 types: geometric shape, organic shapes, and abstract shapes. Okay, let me explain this. Geometric shapes are often called as mathematical shapes. It consists of circle, square, and triangle, and rectangle, and much more. Yeah, and organic shapes like that are natural, smooth. It was formed organically. And then last, abstract shapes. It is like representing the reality. For examples like stick figures, and natural shapes like moon and sun. Yeah, that's it. And then let's see about space. Space is refers to the area of the shape or the form occupies. It has been 2 types: positive space and negative space. For example, see the above posters. In the first one, you can see the gun, but in negative space, you can see a man out of it. And in the second one, you can see the positive space of the man, and in the negative, you can see the wolf. That's it. It's all about the space. Yes. Then we'll see about the colors. Colors are 2 types, mainly RGB, known as red, green, blue, and then second type is CMYK, known as cyan, magenta, yellow, and key. Key is the color of black. If you want to talk about colors, we can talk more individually, like color types and how it works, and color palettes and more. For now, can we now about only the types, how it works like that. RGB will work in working mode, and CMYK it will plays a major role in printing. And then at last we can see about textures. Textures are surface quality of the object. It has been described as roughly textures, silky textures, and pebbly textures. And that's all about the elements of design. Let's get into the principles of design. The next topic is principle of design. Before practicing their design, the first thing is to need to learn some design principle. From this, you will be able to enter the design world, and you will start to think creatively, and you will learn different aspects of design, like why it's good, why it is failed sometimes. Yeah, let's get into it. There are a lot of principles to focusing design, but for now, here are some basic principles you should know about: contrast, alignment, balance, and proximity. Let's discuss about these topics deeply. Yes, contrast. It's allow us to emphasize or highlight the key elements in your design. Maybe it allows us to emphasize or it highlights the key elements in your design. For example, look at the below design. The background contrast make the designs to pop out. So you want to contrast the design based on the situations. And then alignment. Alignment, it allows to create order and organized design. Anything elements allow them to create a visual connection with each other. For example, we have different types of elements like center alignment, left alignment, right alignment, and bottom alignment and top alignment. These are all about the alignments and stuff. And then balance. Yeah, yes. What is balance and how it will works? Balance in design is similar to balance in physics. Balance provides stability and structure to a design. It is the weight distributed in the design by the placement of your elements. It has two types, symmetrical balance and asymmetrical balance. For example, look the below design, how the circle was visually balanced. And on the other hand, we can see the circle also balanced on different proportions. Yeah. And then proximity. Yeah, proximity. Yes, what is proximity? Proximity creates a relationship between elements. It provides a focal point. Like proximity doesn't mean that elements have to be placed together. It means they should be visually connected in some way. For example, look the below design. The circle are visually connected with each other. If it is separated, but it also visually connected with each other. Yeah, these are all about the principles of design and elements of design. Before going to next topic, viewers, don't be frustrated. Why are you teaching theories in design? It's not at all important. Please start designing app, please. But I'm really sorry. To start out the perfect career in your life as a product designer, you must wanted to know these things perfectly. Yes, finally we reached the main part of the design. It is like introduction to UI UX. Basically, many of them have doubts on this, like what is UI, how it is connected to UX, that UI and UX are same or different. Yeah, we'll have a lot of questions about this. So don't worry, I will solve you that. What is UI design? Usually we say it as user interface design. It is the process designer used to build interfaces in software or computerized devices. It like focusing on looks or style. Designers aim to create interfaces which users find easy to use and it is pleasurable at the time. User interfaces are access points where user interact with designs. At the same time, your design want to be flexible and it wants to be responsive. Like responsive means it want to be fit in mobile, tablet and web. It want to shoot on different resolution. That's it about user interface.
I think that will be, I guess that will be one second.
Sorry? Sorry, Aditya. Okay, let's look some example for UI design. It was made for iOS application, and at the same time, your design will be varied according to the platforms like iOS, Android, and Windows. What is user experience design? User experience design is the process design team used to create products that provide a meaningful and relevant experience to users. This involves the design of the entire process. You can integrate the product, including the aspects of branding, design, usability, and function, and more. UX process is simple, but on the same time, it needs huge time to understand the things correctly. For example, to get creative ideas, the process you need to research on them, and you should want to discuss with your partners to get creative ideas so that they also share their vision and ideas. And finally, you should want to think and brainstorm a lot of ideas, and then finally you want to start on designing. Why UX designer is not an UX designer? For example, UI designers will design the app on their own, but UX designer feels about the users and understand the users, and after that they will design according to the user. Mostly UI designers sketch the app, and then UX designer mostly use stickies to brainstorm the ideas, and finally UI designers or use visuals and prototyping to explain their ideas. But UX designer, they will research the ideas and they will research the needs, and they will start working on wireframes and the app screens, so that UI designer can't be the UX designer. Before going to the next topic, I will refresh you with a UX joke. You all know you have girlfriend, you have crush, and many. I will refresh you with a UX joke. I mean, the UX joke is most of them have used Adobe Photoshop and knows how to use it, right? Yeah, your crush is equal to Adobe Photoshop. Both are not responding at times. Okay. Yes, finally I will explain about my design process. It is simple process and I am following for my design patterns. First, I will research myself and find solution like how to solve the real-time problems that was happening and facing by the people in day-to-day life. Second, I will start to do a lot of wireframes and scribbles using pencil and paper, or in software like low fidelity designs in Sketch or in Ballsmith. And then third, I will started to do the user interface design in softwares. There I will find a lot of problems like, can we place this, or we can place either of it. And after spending some hours, I will finish, and then I'll plan for UI. And at last, I started to do prototype. Mostly my micro interactions are specialized in humanized based micro interaction. Yeah, that's it. These are all the process involved in making an app. Softwares I will use for designing is Sketch, Adobe XD, Figma, and Ballsmith. It's for wireframing tool, and Adobe Illustrator. And software I will use for advanced prototype is Adobe After Effects, Adobe XD, Protopy, Principle, and FramerX. Okay, let's start designing an app. We will make an education app for Tangle. As you all know, Tangle is a learning platform. So far, we are going to design an app. Let us discuss some main points. What are the things that we need for online courses? I have listed few. Yeah. Just bring your shared window. Okay, can you able to see my Figma file?
No.
Renal, there are a few questions for you
Only-
in the chat. Can you just quickly take a look, and then before we move on to the next section?
Okay. Chat. Give me. Okay. It's from Absalom Maxi. What is wireframing? Yeah, wireframing is like sketching some ideas. What are the things you are having in your mind? Let's get into sketch, like start using pencils and paper, and that is wireframing. That's all. It's not more about that. And then Pranav Girish, I don't think these are free. Yes, it's not free. Some of the softwares are not free, but Figma is free. You can download it or download the Figma app, or you can just simply use it in Figma web. And then wireframing is a visual guide that represents the framework of a website and helps let the elements be arranged to be the best. Rainy, so I was joking. No time limit. You can go beyond 4, no problem. Okay, it's like sketching. I think yes, it was sketching. Can you send that full slides in mail, or please send that like? Sure. I will send you the full slide to the Tangle. team, you can get it from there.
Yeah, the recording of all sessions is available. Like we're gonna upload it on our YouTube channel, and I'm gonna share the link after the class, right?
Okay, then I will share my Figma. Screen share. Yeah, Figma. Okay. Are you able to see my Figma file, right? Okay, let's start designing an app. We are going to make an educational app for Tangle. As you all know that Tangle is a learning platform. Okay, first I will say what are the points we are going to design for Tangle. Like first we are going to design like onboarding or splash screen for Tangle. And then we are going to list the course. What are the courses offered by Tangle? And then if you click one course, it will brief, right?
Can you make another story now?
Okay. Okay.
This will be the, we'll get this as the game. Now we keep
Sorry.
sides. This will be
Archita and Sakshita, are you guys trying to ask Rainil a question? I think you're unmuted by mistake, on accident. I think you
Okay.
can go on, Rainil. Might be my mistake.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Oh yeah.
Suppose, sir, we want to make an app prototype. So, in that case, we can just like make a rough, like the first draft of our app, right?
Yes. Yeah. You
It's
want to
not
make
like we
the
have to make a fully functionally app.
no. You don't want to fully functional app. You just sketch some ideas and roughly you can pitch into the Figma for wireframing. That's it.
What is the name
Thank
of
you.
the app?
Sorry.
What is the name of the app?
Oh, Figma. It is Figma. It is
Can
available
you
in
download
web.
it on iPad or is it only on our computer?
FYGMA, right?
You can preview that in tablet and mobile. It is free only. Yeah. It is totally available in web. Figma.com. Is there any other question? Yeah.
Should we
Okay.
also make it with you, or like should we only see like what you do?
You know what I would recommend is, Rainil, obviously you can guide them, but what I'd recommend is that you'll listen right now and probably take notes, and then spend time later on making the app yourselves, because that'll be much easier for you all, according to me.
Yeah. Yes, it will be better. Okay. Let's start designing a wireframe. Okay, the Figma app is simple. In left side, you will see a lot of layers and pages. And top, you will see the toolbars. What are all available things in Figma. And in right, if you design something, the elements will be listed in right, like layers, text, and you can fill whatever color you want. Yeah, it's that simple. Let's design some wireframe. Okay. For example, I want to take rectangle, means in top toolbar you have rectangle right over here. Shortcut keys are just in top. I want to fix my top navigation. It's like time and battery and other settings and all. And then yeah, first one it will be an onboarding and or splash screen. Onboarding or splash screen means like introduction to the app. Like we have onboarding screen. Okay, we have button over here, like something right here, some button, some next button, or like that. And then we will have a text over here. I'm using T for shortcut. You can go and check a toolbar at text. Okay, like text welcome Wow. Welcome to Tangle. Like that. You can adjust the size and text over here. Like what are the fonts available, it will list here. And you can choose ultra light, light, thin. There's a lot of variation over here. And size of the font maybe like 48 I am placing here. Welcome to Tangle. And it is like call to action button for next page, like that. And then the Tangle logo will be like here. It's like onboarding screen, right? Yeah. And then in next screen, you can simply option and drag for duplicating the screen. Yeah. On the other screen, we will list out a user like hi. We can say the user to hi.
Sir, can I ask you one question?
Yes, you can.
Like this paper, where do we get this paper? Should we go to the settings and like click on A4 or A4, A3? We should click like
that was a
that.
nice question. Yeah, it was a nice question. It is simply like A for artboard. You want to just open a artboard like A. It's a shortcut for that.
Sir, how do we create that titles like that titles that onboard thing? After that, there was two, right? How do we create that?
Yeah, that was the one. If you simply press A for artboard, in right you will be listed like different screens, iPhone 11 or in tablet, desktop size, watch size. You can choose whatever the size you want. I have chose iPhone 11, and then yeah, here got that screen. Is that simple? Now we got
size, and we can get the size, the same screen size of that device in Figma.
Yes, the same size.
So how can we download Figma?
Sorry?
How can we download this?
It's like simply just go to www.figma.com.
Sir, could I say something?
Yeah.
Sir, in this, sir, will there be a demo or any demo app which they will show?
You can find a lot of tutorials on YouTube, how to download the Figma app or how to use the Figma app.
Yeah. One thing, Reena, could you just disable annotation? It's in the settings when you're sharing screen under options. Yeah, I can't do it. I'll help you with it. Yeah, and guys, can you all? Yeah, so basically, there are a lot of tutorials of Figma, but then we wanted to ease the whole process for you. And then Reynal, as an expert, is basically telling you all how you all can, wireframe your app. So I'll suggest that if you listen carefully right now, you won't need any tutorials.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Sir, Reynal sir, what is the shortcut for the size of the screen?
A for artboard.
Sir,
Yeah.
if we want the same screen for all the devices, so what should we do?
No, it will differ according to your selecting. Like I'm choosing for iPhone. If you choose for desktop, you have size over here, desktop and MacBook Pro, or you can custom simply click A and drag over the size. That will be your frame. You can adjust over here width and height, basically 1920 width and 1080 for height. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, suppose we make it for iPhone 10, so then it will only work on iPhone 10 or it can work on some other device?
It will work on iPhone 10. It will be previewed in iPhone 10. But if you are developing an app after designing, it will work on multiple devices. It will be responsive. So
Okay,
don't
sir.
worry about
And sir,
that.
can
Developers will
you
take care of it. Yeah.
So sir, can you please like send a link in the chat so that we can install this particular application?
Okay. Sure.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, is this only for designing or for programming also?
It's for designing. Figma is only for designing. And then you want to transfer the screen to developer. They will take care of it for developing and other kind of things. Already somehow someone put in chat like figma.com downloads. Yeah, that's the link.
How do we change the font of the text?
Yes, we can change the font of the text. Like
How do we do it?
Like simply click the text and change over here in the right side. It has properties, text properties, like change the text font. Yeah, it's changed. And back to normally it's like Control Z.
Sir, can we put the image?
Yes, you can put the image. It's like in top you can see like place image. It's like place image. You can locate it, and then yeah, just open it, and then we can place the image also. And back Control Z for back. Is that
So how do we delete a frame?
Just click the top. It has name like iPhone 13 default name, and then hit delete. That's it. And Command Z for back, or Windows user Control Z for back. Any other?
So you are typing hi, right, sir? So like then welcome to Tangle. Then the next thing is next. Like after that we press any option.
Yeah,
then the
it's
next will come automatically.
yeah. If you press this rectangle, I just made a wireframe, right? If you press this rectangle, it will transfer to other screen like hi. We will do it further.
Sir?
Yes. Yes, please.
Sir, if we want to make a prototype of an app, so we have to develop it, or only we can give the pictures of the design?
No, it was simple. To develop an app, you just need to transfer your file like just images and sizes of the screens to developer. That's it. Developer will take care of it. If you are using some icons, you can just give the output of the icons to developer. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Any other? Feel free to ask. Yeah. Okay. I'll start on my wireframe.
How can I invite my friends to my Figma file?
It was in top right corner. It's like share button. Just hit share and then invite someone with your link, or invite someone by using their username.
When I go to anyone with a link, when I tap on can view, it only has a view option. Anyone with a link cannot edit it.
If you want, if your friends also want to edit, means you just change the option like can edit. That's it. Can edit option, and then you just hit copy link, and then link will be copied to your clipboard. Yeah.
But I don't have the can edit option for the link.
Sorry. You can edit. Yeah. Just there are two options: can edit and can view. You want to choose any?
But when I press it, I don't see can edit or can view. I only see one option called as can view.
No, you can. like anyone with the link, right? Is there drop down right over here? Can view or can edit?
Yes, when I press that down arrow, it just gives one option. Okay.
Okay. Okay, I think.
Sir,
Yeah.
so is there a way in this in which we can even send a request to edit?
No. You can't edit. If you give option like can edit, only your friends can able to edit. You can't request him. You can just simply edit. That's all.
So in the drop down menu, the can edit option is not coming.
It's not coming. Okay. Mm,
Excuse me, sir.
yeah.
So whenever I choose a device, it just isn't showing that device up in the screen, sir.
It's like simply click here and then you will see a lot of device sizes, or like just simply click here and just drag it. In right hand side you can see the dimension, like how much it is width and height.
Okay, got it, sir.
Yeah. Okay, let's move into the app. It's like a first onboarding screen, like welcome to Tangle. This is a button. If you click this, it will go to the next screen.
Do I have to pay?
No, it's
right.
free. Figma, it's free.
No, but it shows, 1 second.
Yeah.
It shows that,
Chris is definitely
okay.
Chris is getting naked.
It's showing $12 or something.
Chandler, you want to take it off? What's going on? I don't know.
Okay.
Chandler, you want to be on the same car as this? Chandler, you gonna strip for us? Kind of cold. It's hot here today. Yeah, I know.
Is that okay? Okay. I'm moving on to the app.
The rectangle, how does people know if we click on the rectangle, they can go to the next page?
This is like wireframe, right? First we want to build a wireframe and then only we want to design on like UI, and after that only we want to go to UI. It's just like wireframe part. I have already said, right, there's two parts of design. First one is wireframe, and then only we want to transfer that wireframe into an UI, well established UI. Yeah, I will show you that. Don't worry. It's hi, and we will place an image, placeholder image, anything, and then we will list the courses like introduction to animation, like introduction to Figma, and then yeah, you can list the courses like this. Yeah, or simply you can list the course in other dimension too, like this. It is wireframe, right? Yeah.
Sir, how do you do that copying?
Like I have already said that iPhone 14 is right.
No, sir, how do you copy that? No, sir, I'm asking about the boxes. How do you do that copy?
Okay. Yeah, I will show you that now. It's like option, click on option and drag, or just simply hit Command C for Mac or Control C for Windows and Command V, just it will be paste. Yeah, that's it. Okay, it's like after finishing, okay, and user click that any course, it will give you a brief like what are the things inside the course. Like here we can edit the text like course details or something like that. And then yeah, it's like a play button, and then just simply making the course. Welcome. Introduction part. Reducing the text size in right side of the properties, like 14. Oh, it's too small. I think 36. And I'm reducing its weightage to medium. Yeah, that's it. Like introduction, and just selecting all those and simply making Command C and Command V for paste, or Control C or Command or Control V for Windows, like that. Option. Yeah. We will, yeah. This is like wireframe, right? From this, we want to develop to a well-established UI. Everyone knows Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop, right? Or you are new to them? Okay. Yeah. Let's transfer this into an UI, well-established UI. I have already designed some materials, like here it's the Tangle, the logo, and these are all illustrations. You can simply, it was available in web too. For icons and other things, you just go to like in web www.nounproject.com. I will just share you that
Excuse me?
link in the chat.
Excuse me?
Yeah.
I'm not able to download a Figma because they are showing some error so on Windows. So
Then you can use it in online itself by just signing up. Yeah.
Sir, how do we change it like that from desktop to iPhone and all? Like,
Okay. How to be responsive. Okay. I will show you that too.
like how to change now, sir, now yours is iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 14. I want to
Yeah,
make
yeah.
it desktop, or I want to
Okay.
make it Samsung, like
Okay.
that.
You want to know the Samsung dimension or tablet dimension, you can simply just click A and you'll know the tablet iPad mini size and iPad Pro 11 834 into 1194 like that. Just simply
Okay, sir.
click that.
Okay, sir.
The screen will be right over here. Yeah. And then just option and drag and make responsive. Yeah, like that.
Sir, I'm not able to add a page.
Add a page. Okay. Just simply hit A. You can see the properties right over there. What do you?
Sir, no, I am not able to.
And then, yeah, another option is go to top right, top left corner and click frame. F or shortcut F, frame. Now you're able to get that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. It's simple. Okay, we will transfer this wireframe sketches into a real life product. I have already downloaded that image. Okay, you just drag it over here and just placing right over here. And then I am deleting the back rectangle. And I'm just selecting the fill artboard color as to like 1 second, using the eyedropper tool, and I'm just selecting this color. It was applied. And then I'm changing the text color to white. In top, I have the toolbar settings. Just simply.
is this meeting recorded?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is getting recorded.
It's getting recorded.
So can I say something?
Yeah, you can.
Can we put Google images in this?
Yes.
You can
You
just
can
Google
add
images
that
and then copy
custom.
paste. That also would be fine.
Yeah, that's all fine. And then
Sir, in our project we'll get the icon for the Wi-Fi and all.
yeah, I have shared in chat a link like www.nounproject.com. You can simply download from there whatever icons
Sir,
you need.
sir, it's thenownproject.com.
Yeah, www.thenounproject.
Excuse me.
Yes.
If you don't mind, can you show me how to use this again one more time? Because I didn't really understand, like in brief.
Okay, sure.
And sir, can you tell how do you delete a page if you don't want?
Just select the title of the page and hit delete. That's it. Deleted. And then Command Z for Apple and Windows user Control Z to get back. Like in top, you can find lot of tools, rectangle, line,
Sir, could I ask
circle.
one
Yeah. Yes, you
In
can.
this Wi-Fi symbol, sir, when I clicked on the Wi-Fi icon, download it, sir. They are telling me to sign up.
Yes, you want to sign up with your mail. It's just a
Sir,
free
can you
account.
show how to use that, how to get that Wi-Fi button?
Yes, okay, I'll show you that. My screen is restricted. Okay. I will share you the screen. Yeah. It's like www.thenounproject.com.
No.
Simply you will get lot of icons. Just simply type Wi-Fi. You will get an Wi-Fi icon right over here, and just click it and click get this icon. It has basic download. Continue. It's like PN. It's asking like PNG or SVG. You can download either PNG, and it will be downloaded. And then I'll go into Figma file right over there. Wait. Screen share Figma. Yeah.
Wait, so will it show the actual time and everything, or is it just like a prototype kind of thing?
It's just like a prototype. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Like that, you can download there. And then the next page, it will be like, hi, I am the option and drag the screen. Dragging the screen, yeah. And just.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, is this Python class?
No, it's not a Python, it's Figma design class.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
Sir,
Yeah. Yes,
I had
please.
asked to show the thing again if you can. How to
Okay.
use the app. Yeah.
Okay.
Done.
Okay,
Done.
sure. Yeah. In top, you can see the toolbars.
Yeah.
Frame, and after the rectangle, line, ellipse, polygon, and then this is pen tool and text tool. And in left, you can see the layers and the pages you have.
Okay.
And in right, if you place some rectangle right, the properties of the rectangle will be shown on right.
Okay.
Yeah, it's simple. That's it.
How do we put designs there?
Like A for artboard or frame. Just select the sizes you need. And if I need iPhone 11 Pro, I'm just selecting that. And just simply I'm doing rectangle, clicking rectangle and dragging it. That's it, wireframe. like
Really?
that you want to do. Yeah.
Yeah, I'd just like to point out, guys, if you all are joining in late or have missed something that he's already explained, please wait for the recording and watch the recording instead. Don't interrupt the others who've actually been following the lesson throughout, right? So then don't explain something you've already explained again. Let them watch the recording, right?
Okay, sure. Yeah. We will move on to the second page. It's like showing hi to the user. And then we can have that. It's like your courses. It's simple. It's simple to do. Like
How do we
just,
add pictures there?
just yeah, I'll show you right now. Just go and hit that rectangle. Just simply drag and then go to top toolbar and you can see that place image option right there.
Okay. Okay.
And then you just select that image that is available in local and then just click. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Like I'm deleting this. Yeah, it's just like what we have did in wireframe. Yeah, and then the course details right over there. You can just yeah. And then I am having that too. It's all available in website too. It's like rectangle and text.
What did you like type in the noun project to get these pictures?
Yeah.
It's
For
not
people,
necessarily noun project. There's a lot of resources, so I mean, you can just find out yourself too.
yeah. Yeah. Just simply type in Google that you want images.
Also, Rainil, did you share the link for this the
Noun
same thing in
project.
the chat or something for the students to refer?
Yes, I have shared that link.
All right. Just share it once again because not everyone can see that.
WD dot flat icons. So is Figma just for designing the application or is it also user responsive? Like can we program it to perform some function like Java? Yes, you can program it, but Figma is only for designing. You want to check the developer for other things and other functions.
Wait, if you're a developer, then how do we do it?
Developer, UI developer will be there. Like they have some tools. We have Figma for designing, right? They have Adobe Android Studio. For iOS, they have some sort of apps, right? Using the apps, they will develop that.
So this is only to make websites.
Website, mobile screens, apps, everything. Whatever you are thinking, you just create it in Figma. Whatever the
Like for creating a website, they first for the designing part they go for Figma, right?
Yes, there are a lot of tools. Sketch, but Sketch is a paid software.
And I think Sketch is only for Mac, so that's not accessible.
Yeah. Where to get developer app? It's also available in web. For Android, it is Android Studio, I think. Just simply type Android Studio. It is free. Yeah. I'm just placing the.
Is there a developer accessible?
Oh, yeah. Yes, developer can accessible. You just hit share and you invite someone, or you can anyone with the link. You just copy to the clipboard and paste it somewhere else. Yeah, that's it. Developer also have access, so don't worry. Yeah. Like,
Can you share the Figma link in the chat box?
okay, Figma link. Okay. The link can view or edit option.
Any, that's up to you.
Okay. They can view. Copy link. Yeah. Is that I already done? Okay.
What was that?
Okay, these are the things I have done before. Okay. And then third page, like course details. What are the things going to come? For example, if you're going to introduction to animation, if you're clicking that, it will redirect it to next page right over there. It's like same thing, add option plus dragging the elements, and then it's like course details. I reduce the font size to 30. Yeah, it's fine. And I want back arrow right. It's like back button. This is also icon available in Noun project. Yeah. Just simply place right over here. If we click the back button, it will redirect to this page. And then course details, I have already designed that too. It's just simple rectangle and text, that's it. I'm deleting this. And I'm just simply placing the content. Yeah. Oh my god, 5 minutes. That's it. Just option and dragging for duplicating this. And to duplicate this in same format, use Control D. Yeah. Yes, and then we are going to do prototype. Just simple prototype. We need to change the color, right? The green color, it looks so odd. Just the Tangle logo or that blue. Yeah. Same thing I'm applying over here by selecting all the rectangles, and in right you have properties to fill, selecting that color. That's all. These are the course details. Now we want to go to prototype mode. It was in top right corner below the share. You can see that prototype column. If you are clicking this element, you know this is a plus. Just simply drag over to this screen. Yeah. And then you'll be able to see on click or on drag or while hovering it, like just on click and navigate to this screen. This screen name is iPhone 17. So iPhone 17, and the animation you want like move out or push. It's like I want to do moving from right or top or a bottom. Just I'm selecting the top. That's it. And then I'm introduction to animation. I'm just dragging the screen to another. It's also like moving animation. It's like right, that's it. We can preview this in top right after to the share. Like first we are clicking this element.
Sir?
Come in.
Sir,
Yeah.
if you want to create a image of our own, how do we do that? Like we want to create we want to create a video course, and like we want to create it at different times and different times. How do we do that?
Okay, it's like design. There are a lot of steps to develop. First, we will design this app and will be transferred to developer, and he will make out the timings and other things that all. So don't worry about that. Developer will take care of it. Yeah. And then after that, introduction to animation, it's just like course details or listing over here.
Are you using a phone right now?
Sorry?
Are you using a phone right now?
No, I'm just in preview mode.
Ah, okay.
Just in preview mode, that's it. Yeah.
So when you click on the icons in the preview, you'll come to the next page.
Yes. Yeah. Like
Sir, how can we share the prototype?
Oh, how can you share? Just I've already shared. Like anyone with the link can access. Just copy the link and share to them, and they will see the prototype.
Sir, I think when you clicked on preview and then there was a button for share prototype.
Yes. Yeah.
Can you share this prototype so we can just
It's
check
like yeah, just only the prototype screen. Yeah.
So how do you get that arrow, like to connect the pages?
You want to go to that another column after to the design. It was prototype. Just click the prototype mode, and you will be transferred to the prototype mode, and you can see the dragging lines. Yeah.
Sir, can you please again explain that, like how can we make another copy of that particular thing?
Okay. Just I'm going to the prototype column. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
I'm clicking the icon, and you can see the plus over here. Just
Yes,
simply drag over to next screen. That's it.
And
Here
sir,
you
how
can
can we?
have animations like move in or move out animation. You can also preview below. It's like you want
Okay,
from
sir.
top, you want from it bottom, or you want from it right, like that.
Sir, and like how can we like make another screen or copy
Like
the screen?
just simply hit option and drag. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Then any other questions? Do you have any other questions?
So, sir, what about the other icons? In your courses, there are other icons, right?
Yeah. In noun project, you can find this as play. If you search this as play, it will come. This icon represent play, right? And this is represent like back arrow. Just simply type back in noun project, you can get that. It's like any other question you want to ask?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, yeah, yes, please.
After just previewing the app, how we are gonna make it out to the world through Play Store?
Okay, just simply share this to a developer. Developer will code the app. What are the things they need, and then developer after coding, you will just simply share to Play Store or App Store by checking
Okay, sir.
in their website. Yeah.
Okay.
Can also we can also have graphics in this.
Yes, we can. It's graphic in the sense image, like right image.
All right. I think if there are no more questions for Rainel, I would say that you'll start spending time actually developing your solutions, because you only have time until 11 p.m. and we'll talk about that a little later. But let's just confirm first. Any more questions?
Yeah. Feel free to ask. Yeah.
Yeah. All right then. Thank you so much, Rainel, for conducting this workshop. I think you started off with some very important basics about design, and then you moved on to talking to them about Figma. And I think they've actually learned a lot, and they should actually be able to wireframe their apps and prototypes for tomorrow. Yeah. And I mean, if you all really enjoyed this class, maybe we can request Rainel to come on as an Untangler and take a proper course for you all on Tangle. And actually, yeah, I think that should be great. And then we can have a proper weekend course where he teaches all of you all the, it goes more into detail with Figma and talking to you all about design as well. So once again, thank you so much for conducting this workshop. I think it was great.
Yeah, I'm really proud about your team. All the best, team, for your future goals and achievements. Thank you so much for the great opportunity to show and all.
No problem. Yeah. Okay, let's take a quick poll. You all know in the participants field, you all can pick yes or no, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how about everyone just pick yes or no? Do you all want to see Rainel on Tangled as an Untangler? And will you all attend this course? I mean, saying yes right away.
Yes. Come on, shoot yes.
Oh no, put it in the participants field. Vote yes.
What?
You can just click on the participants button and then there's a yes option. So just click on that.
Yes. Okay, Rainel, now this is popular
hello.
demand. We need to have you on as an Untangler. Right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rainel.
Yeah, this should be great.
Thank you.
Fun. I think,
where will be the recording?
I think I'll just come to that. I think this session went great. I will right after we end this, I'll be sharing the recording of all 3 workshops with you all over email. It will also be on the official Tangled YouTube page, right? So you guys can go check it out there. And Rainel, I think would you be available for like a few hours after this workshop to answer their doubts if they have any?
Discord server.
Yes,
If someone has any doubt, they'll come.
I am available.
Okay, perfect. So then we'll just send over the link for the Discord channel. It'll be great if you can join it. And then all of y'all, if y'all have any questions, y'all can, message him or just tag him on your private channels, right?
Yes.
So thank you once again.
Okay, so thank you once again for sending it in the email.
Yeah, I will.
No worries.
Thank you for teaching us. Thank you.
Right. Yeah, it's 11 a.m. now, guys. Now stay back for all the instructions for the video and for tomorrow and for the rest of today, right?
Yeah.
So basically, guys, now from 4 until around 10 or 11, our team, that is 4 co-founders of Tangle and Abdullah, who conducted the workshops earlier, and I believe now Rainel as well, are going to be available on our Discord server. So if y'all aren't already on the server, make sure y'all join the server, and y'all can create a private channel for y'all. So you can either use the public chat, but if you want to keep your idea confidential, then create a private channel for yourself. There are very clear instructions on the server on how you can do that, and then just tag us. So, you can type @ and tag us. Just tag us every time you have a question, because our team has access to your private servers, but no one else does. All right. So we'll be able to come in and answer your discussions or discuss it with you. And we can even jump on a voice chat with you all if you all have something very particular to discuss. All right.
Yes.
After this, that is by tomorrow, 11 a.m. All right. Very clear. 11 a.m. That is 11 in the morning. You'll have to submit your 3-minute videos. Okay, so in your 3-minute videos, Abdullah went over this earlier today. You'll have to talk about your problem, you have to talk about your solution, and you'll have to present your prototype and whatever you all have made, your presentation, however you all are representing your solution. So you all have until 11 a.m. tomorrow. So it might be a sleepless night for some of you all, but it should be exciting. And we'll be picking 5 finalists in both the categories, that is in middle and senior, and everyone will be getting a prize. And you'll know those 10 prizes are, really exciting. So yeah, make sure you make the most out of the mentorship sessions today. And also the 10 finalists will get personalized mentoring from the Entrepreneurship Society, preparing them for the final pitching in the evening. Okay. So make sure that you all have joined the Discord server and are asking us if you all have any questions. Right? You can also send us an email or reach out to us on any social media platform, but most reliable would be Discord. So let's try and stick to that, right? And create your personal team servers so you can talk to you there.
Yeah.
Right? I think that's it for now, unless Kwash, Adityan, if you guys have
also, hello.
Yeah, Nikhil.
Yeah, while we are making
wrong
it,
link in the chat. There's a wrong link. So I'll give you the proper link.
For the Discord server? Yeah. Thank you. Adityan spammed with the wrong link. GG.
hello.
Yeah. Nikhil, you're saying something.
So while we are making the video, is it necessary that it should be under 3 minutes? Like making it 3 minutes, will it be disqualified if it is 3 minutes and 1 second?
We won't disqualify you. We'll just stop watching. No, I mean, in the sense we'll watch until 3 minutes. Anything after that, we won't watch.
Oh, okay, fine.
Okay.
Sir?
That's to keep it fair and a level playing field for everyone.
Sir, we'll submit the prototype with the video.
Sorry, could you repeat yourself?
I'm saying, sir, can we have to submit the prototype with the video?
Yeah, make a screen recording or something of yourself presenting it on Figma or whatever you're using to make it, and yeah, put it in the video itself. Guys,
Okay.
I will tell you all this, that if you all, it's not a video making contest. There's a very small part of the score, that's like less than 5% that goes towards the general presentation. So don't spend time editing it and putting in fancy effects and everything. We do not want that. We want to hear your problem, your solution. We want to see the creativity and the effort that you've put into it, right? So I think like how it was on the YCOM application, if you guys want to make your submission, your video creative, put that effort into your actual solution and your prototype instead. Your video can be simple, not being judged on that.
Could I say something?
Yes, Vaishnav, go ahead.
Is it necessary that we should make a PPT or should we make a video?
I mean, you have to make a video, a 3-minute video. You can have a PPT or not, that's your choice.
Yeah, so what you can do is you can make a PPT and then screen record it or something like that and send it forward to us.
So should we make it as a video?
Yeah, you need to make a video.
Okay.
So when we are making the video, is it necessary that all our team members should be presenting in that, or just one?
That isn't necessary. It's completely upon you. So to make sure you keep it short and simple, that's totally your call.
I just have a question.
Sure.
Should we like work on the pitch deck also, like before, or should we just start it right after announcing the top 10 people?
That's a good question. So if you're using a pitch deck to present in your video, then yes, you will need a pitch deck, or else the live judging, if you get selected, then you will need a pitch deck for sure. So it's up to you.
Thank you.
Right.
I guess that's it with the questions then. It was great. The workshop was great, Reinal. Thank you for it again. And we hope to see you on the platform very soon. And as well as everyone who's joined us today, I hope we can see you as well on the platform. So good day, guys. Bye.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thank you all for joining. Thank you all for being there through the workshops. Hope you all enjoyed it. And I look forward to seeing your videos tomorrow. Free to go.